5 acts, but there are only 2 spots open in the finals. So right now, let's find out who made your top 3. America has voted. The first act in the top 3 is Chibi Unity. The next act in the top 3 is Shadow Ace. Two acts are through. There's 1 spot left. Here we go. The third act in this week's top 3 is Johnson and Zion Clark. You've been awesome. Thank you so much. Sophia, what do you want to say to the top 3?
I mean, you guys deserve to be here tonight. America always gets it right, and you guys are the best. Congratulations.
Simon, what do you think?
I feel happy. I also feel very sad right now. I'm not going to lie. But that's, you know, testament to the fact that we had some really, really good people last night, and I'm very sorry to lose them.
I agree. All right, come on over, everybody. The finals are shaping up. We already have Lavender D'Arcangelo, Adrian Stoica and Hurricane, Aaron Bilal, Murmuration, Mzanzi Youth Choir, and Putri Ariani. But which 2 of tonight's acts are going to join them? The answer to that is coming up right after this break.